Hello everyone, this is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade and welcome to Hidden Gem. Unlike most of our reviews, today I'll be talking about a company that have a good chance to make a very nice breakout in the near future from its current price. Now it's very important for me to emphasize that you should always do your own research and that this is not a financial advice. Now let's get right into it. The company is the ticker GGSM. And before I'll get into the fundamentals, let's go a little bit over the chart. And I'll talk about three green volume candles. This one, and this one. The first one on March 26th gave us 130% intraday with 330 million volume. Now that volume came because of transfer agent verified added. That's it. That's what caused 330 million volume in one day. The second green volume gave us 140% intraday, and it was 100 million volume less than the previous one, only 230 million. And the third green candle right here with only 107 million volume gave us 120% intraday. So the reason for that is the float. The float is very good. It's almost 700 million and there was no dilution. So this tells us that we need very little volume. Only 100 million, 200 million, 300 million. It's very, very little volume to make the stock go 100% in one day. Now we can also see a very, very strong support level on the 0026. We can see so many times the stock tried to break that support, but it couldn't, and the support held 3.5 months, which is very good. And now let's go to the fundamentals. On OTC Markets, we can see that the float of the company is 695 million. Now I know it is not updated for today and it is updated back to end of April. However, there was no dilution ever since March where the transfer agent was verified, so it is safe to assume that the float of the company is almost 700 million, which is a very good float for that price. Now the second thing we see is that the company was inactive for 5 years. We can see that there was no filings all the way back to 2016. Now right here you can see all of the updates that occurred on the recent months. First, the profile updates. The transfer agent verified, the website changed, they added a new officer, and they changed their phone number, and also they verified their profile back in March. More to that, we can see a conversation with the CEO of the company asking if she can confirm that she is in fact the CEO, and as she answered, "Hi, thank you, I've been working to update the company on OTC Markets. After that is completed, we will be able to disseminate a press release on our accomplishment. OTC Markets is taking more time than we expected. Hopefully we'll get through this soon." So right here we got a confirmation that she is in fact the CEO of the company. And lastly, on July 8th, we can see that the CEO answered to someone on email. "Thank you for your email. We have updated the profile for the company. We are waiting for our accountant to finish financial statements, so we'll be able to upload financial statements and disclosures on OTC Markets website soon. The company is working on acquisition, and when we have one finalized, we then make a press release announcement." Now the downside for this hidden gem is the TD Ameritrade deadline. We have no guarantee that the company will remove its stop sign by mid-August, meaning that if it will not remove its stop sign, TD Ameritrade brokerage users could only sell the stock and they could not buy after that. So to sum it all up, we got a company that is coming back to life with a good float that can do 100% with only a couple hundred of millions volumes a day. We got filings on the way, an acquisition on the way, and a press release on the way, but we do not have a time frame. Also, the stock price is very close to its 4.5 month support. I hope you guys enjoyed this hidden gem video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to join our Discord community.